Welcome back to Home Economics TV. Today, we're diving into a deliciously indulgent treat that combines the rich flavors of Yema and the creaminess of cheesecake. Get ready for our Yema Cheesecake. This Yema Cheesecake recipe is good for business. In this step-by-step guide, it'll walk you through each part of the process, from creating the perfect cake base to whipping up a luscious Yema frosting that will take your dessert to the next level. Ingredients for batter: 2½ cup cake flour, sifted. 3/4 cup white sugar. 8 pieces egg yolk. 1 tablespoon baking powder. Half a cup royal orange. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Ingredients for meringue: 8 pieces. Egg whites ½ teaspoon, cream of tartar ½ cup, white sugar. Ingredients for Yema frosting: 4 pieces. Eggs 1 big can, condensed milk 1/2 can, evaporated milk 2 tablespoons, cornstarch 1 tablespoon, butter. Procedure for batter: 1. Separate egg yolk and egg white, set aside. 2. In a bowl, add all dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, salt. Mix them together until combined. 3. Make a hole at the center and add all liquid ingredients: egg yolk, royal orange, and vanilla. Mix until combined and set aside. In a separate clean bowl, add the egg whites and cream of tartar. Beat the mixture until fine bubbles form. Gradually add the sugar while continuing to beat, until the mixture reaches a stiff, glossy consistency. Stiff peaks. 5. Gently cut and fold the meringue into the first mixture, the egg yolk batter. Use a spatula to fold until just combined. Gently pour the batter into a greased baking pan, spreading it evenly. Place the baking pan in a preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While waiting, let's make Yema frosting. In a bowl, add condensed milk, evaporated milk, and egg. Whisk together until fully combined. Place the bowl over a double boiler and cook the mixture, stirring continuously for 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens slightly. Add the butter and diluted cornstarch mixed with water, and continue stirring until fully incorporated and thickened. Take the mixture off the heat and continue stirring to help it cool down gradually and achieve a creamy and smooth Yema frosting. 11. Spread the Yema frosting. Evenly spread the Yema frosting over the cake, ensuring a smooth and uniform layer. Top with grated cheese. And here it is, the ultimate Yema cheesecake. Just look at that creamy, velvety Yema frosting and the perfect balance of sweetness and tang. I can't wait for you to try it. If you give this recipe a go, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Let me know in the comments. Did you add your own twist, or was it love at first bite? Share your and experiences below, and I can't wait to see your amazing creations. God bless you.